Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Days to Die split screen on PS5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to your television. Next, locate your two DualSense controllers. You will need both of these to begin your cooperative zombie survival adventure. Make sure they are charged and ready for action before proceeding to the next step. To connect your second controller, simply press the PlayStation button in the center of the gamepad. This will power it on. Your PS5 will then prompt you to select a user profile. It's crucial that the second player chooses a different profile than the first player. This ensures both players are properly recognized within the game. If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. And speaking of survival, even in a zombie apocalypse, you'd still need to eat, right? Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once both controllers are connected and profiles are selected, launch 7 Days to Die. From the game's main menu, choose to either continue game or start a new game. After the first player loads into the world, the second player will see a prompt on their screen. Simply press any button on the second controller to join the game. Now that you're both in the game, the screen will automatically split, allowing each player their own view. You can work together to scavenge for supplies, craft essential items, and construct a formidable base to withstand the nightly zombie attacks. Remember, teamwork is key to surviving the harsh world of 7 Days to Die. Have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.